What if I told you you could turn any Reel, TikTok, or YouTube short into a complete lead and sales funnel without pages, without funnel builders, and without tech? Not links, not landing pages, but funnels inside the video itself. And it happens in less than 60 seconds. Right now, most marketers do this. They run ads, build pages, push traffic, and lose 80% of people before they even see the offer. Why? Because people don't click links anymore. They don't like leaving videos. And every extra step kills conversions. The moment you send them away from the video, you lose them. That's the biggest problem in modern marketing. And that's why we built VideoFunnels AI, the world's first AI platform that builds funnels inside videos. Now, instead of sending people to pages, your video becomes the funnel itself. Imagine this. Someone is watching your reel, and suddenly a lead form appears inside the video. Then a clickable button. Then your affiliate link. Then a countdown offer. All happening while they're still watching. No redirects. No broken attention. No funnel builders. Just pure in-video conversions. It works in 3 simple steps. You upload your video or paste a Reel, Short, or TikTok link. Add your funnel layers, forms, buttons, links, offers, countdowns, drag and drop. Click Publish, and your video becomes a live funnel. It's that simple. We're already using this across our campaigns, launches, and brands, and it's replacing traditional funnels completely. No landing pages. No click funnels. No complex tech stacks. This isn't another tool. This is the next evolution of funnels. And just like AI influencers replaced real influencers, video funnels will replace page funnels. And the people who adopt this early will own the advantage. Right now, you can get access to VideoFunnels AI for a small one-time investment. But this is not staying forever. We're moving to a monthly model once we hit our license limit. So if you're watching this right now, you're early. Click the button below this video, secure your access, and start turning your videos into funnels that generate leads, clicks, and sales.